So I finally bought a GoPro camera. The one I got was the HERO11 Black. And I got a really good deal on it, along with a few accessories, including a suction cup mount for dashboard and a sort of tripod extension handheld device. Anyway, I'm excited to do a lot more exploring and discovering this camera's functions, but this short video is my initial or maybe inaugural attempt at using it while walking a few trails in Castlewood Canyon State Park. So, here you go. Okay.
If we do this, unfortunately it's muddy, but
Oh, that's okay.
this will take us to this squiggle line, and then we can take a left,
Okay.
and then around.
Awesome. Into the thicket.
Right? Like, look at, I never have myself this exposed on my ankles, but
Ah. What's cool about this is that it's almost like a widescreen, so it captures
I can see the
more,
dimensions. Yeah,
right?
yeah.
It's pretty cool. I like that. But, you know, first time out, it's going to be probably kind of eh.
This is why we're experimenting.
Yes. Yes.
Just to see.
Yep.
You're making that up.
Oh gosh, you should. Totally. Okay. Rimrock Trail.
Yeah, but in that canyon, there's no sun.
Yeah.
Canyon.
This canyon.
So
So
it's